Now we will
Okay,
connect
you
the
use
hose.
here. First you open this one,
Mhm.
then you should put this in the pipe.
Okay.
After you will see this, here
Yes,
is you can put your pipe. My god, it's broken.
Yeah. Yes.
So you put
Yeah.
like
Very
this.
tight, huh? Yeah. Okay. Then Roscas with that. Then next you do is connect them. See? Okay. Again. Then for the other side, which connector we need to use? Here.
This
Just take something. Okay. Show the.
not this one. This
Show
one.
the other side.
This
Okay.
one. Then
Okay.
you will connect here.
Okay. Good.
Make sure it is connected nicely, so the water will not leak.
Okay. Then next. This one.
Again, you need to open this.
Connect again.
Put it in pipe first. This
Mhm.
one.
Okay.
Then you put pipe. Make it sure it is fully inside. Then make it tight again, so the water will not
Okay.
leak. And you need to put it in here.
And then for the end of the hose.
For the end of the hose, do again same thing. Put it inside. Then you put pipe like this. Make it sure the water will not leak. Then you make it tight.
And use
This
no
is-
no no. It's for the hose pipe. This is for the faucet. This one is for the faucet, right? So use this one or this one if you think it's yeah.
If you want small water, then you will put this.
Small faucet, no?
Yeah, this is for big opposite,
Yes.
so you will get to big water.
Yes. So you
So
can use.
put like this,
Okay.
like this. After this is
No. It's for the faucet.
Yeah.
This is for the faucet, right? So
Yeah.
this you will connect this one to faucet.
Ah,
You see? So that's
Yeah.
why we put here. There's a small one, and there's a big one.
okay.
Okay. So this is reserved. Just
Yeah.
keep it inside, and it's reserved for in case you need the big one or the small. Yeah. So it's connected together, huh? We show it. So we show it. If the mouth of the faucet is big, use this one.
Yeah.
If the
This
mouth of the
one.
faucet is small, use this one. Okay? Then keep it like that, Ashish. No problem.
I'll put this.
Yes. Okay. And for the last one, we will use first the hose. This hose. We show you. This hose. Okay, yeah.
Same thing. This is the connector. You put.
Like that. Then
This
you
is
can
for-
insert now the, what do you call this? Controller.
Yeah, this water controller.
Pressure. Oh, yeah.
If you need more pressure,
Yeah.
you should connect.
Then connect here.
Yeah.
Okay? Then please take the other hose ashes. Then we will teach them, remove again. And we will teach them how to use the other connector. Okay? Take the other one. Yeah, so we will connect together. And remove this one. Remove this one. Yes. Remove this one also. And then we will show them how to connect, how to use this one. We will show you how to use this one. This one.
Yeah.
Okay? This connector is used to connect together the hose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, show it as.
Both hose you can connect.
No, Ashish, just put it first, this one.
Ah.
Remove this one. Yes. Yes. Yes, it's correct. Then put together. Okay, then connect. Then take the another hose. This hose to connect. Then put the ring. No need Ashish, just together. So you will see. Remove again Ashish, so they will see clearly. Okay, then put together. Okay. So they are, make it wide Ashish, so they see they connect already. See, it's connect together. This is the use of this connector. Okay. Okay, Ashish. Thank you, Ashish. You have vlog, huh?